Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will see the next one is extra functions. So in extra functions, we have a couple of options here. So we can see we have integration, global styles, and option swatches, uploaded fonts, trash, and media files. So we will discuss about these 6 items one by one. So first, let's get started with integrations. So if we click here, we will see how many apps we can integrate with Pagefly. Well, we have options to install or use other apps in Pagefly, but these apps are already collaborated with Pagefly, so it will be easier for us to integrate them in Pagefly. So we have options to use them as elements in Pagefly third-party elements. We will see this in live while we will be editing our pages. So if we go back and we can see we have global styles. So this is very important because we can now customize and manage all of our CSS, basically our styles from central part. So we can see that we have multiple colors. So these colors will be shown as a global variable. So if we go to our page editor, we can see these colors from the styling tab. After that, we have font family. We can add multiple font families so that we don't need to add them again and again. After that, we have headings. We can describe our heading size, heading colors, paddings, and other CSS properties in our heading from these global settings. We have paragraph. So if we want to use our paragraph and we want a specific style for one part of the paragraph, we can manage these things from here. Also, we have button styles. So we can pre-made one button, or we can style one button and use it in various part of the page. So it will be easier for us to manage and control the styling. After that, we have images. So we can also style images from here. So these are some demo styles here. We can customize them as our need. We have icon option here. We can customize and make a template like icons like the other one from here, and it will be managed globally. Also, we have divider. So these icons and all of the items gives us a flexibility to manage and style things from one part from centrally, but we can use them again and again. And if we need to change anything, we can come here and change the style, and it will affect every element that we have used in our page editor. Now we can go back, and after that we have swatches. So we can use swatches in a different way. Swatches is just variants going in different style from Shopify products. So if we have some different products, we can use their images or colors. So these are called swatches. So we will see these things in action. After that, we have loaded fonts. We can use custom fonts other than Pagefly provided ones. So using custom fonts was not very easy, but Pagefly made it easy. We can use it from here. So they have dedicated font uploader. So we can click here. First of all, we have to download exact fonts that we need. After that, we can upload fonts from here. So you can see which type of fonts they are supporting right now. So this is also supported by Shopify. So we can manage them and upload them from here centrally. After that, we have preferences. This is very handy thing. So here you will be able to see some preferences like we see in online stores. So we can see here account and other information about the account owner. We have billing option. I'm not going to there. We have analytics, interface, if we go to user interface, we can choose our desired language and we can select the optimization option, and we have a referral program. Also, if we go back to extra function, we have other option. We have trash. So if you can remember from our second video of this series, I told you that we will talk about trash later on. So this is the trash option here. We can click manage and we can see which items has been thrown into bin, which is called trash. So these things are in trash, and in trash, these pages will be here for 30 days and after that they will be gone. So if you want to recover them, then you can come here in trash and you can recover it easily. So if you click one page, you can select restore and delete forever. Okay. So if you want to delete all of the items from here, you can just simply click empty trash. So if you go back, we have media files. So if we click here, we have same thing that we see here in Shopify files. If we go to content and from here we see files, we can see the uploaded media files here. So again, if we go back to our Pagefly media files, we can see the uploaded media files, but these uploaded media files will be associated with Pagefly only. So the media files we have uploaded on Pagefly, we will see those items from here. So this will allow us to differentiate media files from the Shopify ones. So here in media files, we have some options here. We can see manage legacy images. So they have option to manage media files like their previous one. So in earlier periods, Pagefly had options to upload images, but they were not synced with the Shopify files. But now we have the option. After that, we have add from URL. So we can click here and we can enter CDN or hosted file link here, which will allow Pagefly to add those media or the media in Pagefly media files as well as in Shopify files. We can click here and we can upload any images from here. So if you click there, the images will be uploaded. So after that, we have options to filter through the images or media files, and we have option to sort. So we can use them to sort or find our desired media files. So if we go back, we have covered a sneak peek of extra functions. We will see these things in action later on this series.